Good morning. I'm Manya Harsha from 7A from GoldenBee Global in association with Vibgyor High BTM. Being a nature lover, nature inspired me to science. Today is one of my favorite days of the year. A day to cheer for the women and girls who have made exceptional contributions towards STEM. This 8th International Day of Women and Girls in Science aims to bridge the international community and women in science to put innovation, technology and science in the heart of sustainable development programs and strategies. Curiosity and creativity is not limited to gender. So does technology, science and innovation. Science and green innovation plays a very important role in the society as change makers. At a time when female scientists were considered too fragile and emotional for fieldwork, Jane Goodall proved everyone wrong. Our own Vandana Shiva, the Gandhi of grain, an eco-feminist and an environmental activist, is a perfect example. That one person who managed to put climate change on the map is a young woman. We all know Greta Thunberg. She garnered the attention of the world and managed to put spotlight on the need to address the survival of the planet now, before it's too late. The world's understanding on climate change has improved exponentially thanks to science, technology and the efforts of climate scientists. Being a young environmentalist, I chose science to treat climate change because it helps me express my innovation, creativity and be a problem solver. India and the rest of the world need more female climate leaders at the table where policies are made or at head of business which leads to a sustainable future. This is a collective responsibility we all share, irrespective of the gender to which we all must contribute. As a climate activist, I was vocal to climate change from the age of 8. During my process of research and experimentation of recycling vegetable peels to paper, I learned to be impact-oriented. Always see the big picture in whatever science I'm working on. In today's innovative world, we see both men and women as the consumers of science and technology. Hence, it would be great to have more women as the producers of science and technology. Over the past few years, we can see that the number of women science researchers have doubled from 30,000 in 2014 to over 60,000 in 2022. With women participation at the highest in biotechnology at 40% and medicine at 35%. My message to all the women and girls out there is break the stereotypes. Be bold and pursue passionately in whatever field you're interested in. The crises of the planet are getting more complex with time. Give the planet the transformation it needs. Aspire to be the role model for the generations to come. Thank you.